Okay, this is Colt again from Spit and Tax Upholstery. We're talking about witness marks here today. You got me? I'm still here. Okay, witness marks. Remember I told you cut out the panel, do one panel, and then do a mirror image of the other panel, okay? You get your witness mark on there. You take, your outside perimeter, mark your edge, you come in. Boom, 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 boom. You see how they all line up? This is how you sew. You want to sew with witness marks, always, 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 always. You see how that is? And then I told you we had to add a little bit of this, okay? So when you make your witness marks, you just kind of overlap. You kind of overlap them. And then you do your top, and then you do your bottom. And you'll see how I right around the perimeter. That's where the stitch count starts. That's where the stitch count starts, and I just do a little hash and then little dots. Okay, solid dot is a witness mark. This is a location mark, and there'll be a location mark here that matches up, and then one here that matches up, okay? Location marks, okay? Use them. Believe in them. They're your friends. So, I'm going to try to squeeze in some more videos. God bless. I'll see you around like a donut.